Hi, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I will show you how native Chinese write Chinese characters in our daily life. If you can write the numbers in 1 to 10 and English letters from A to Z, I can tell you for sure that you are able to write 1,000 Chinese characters for daily writing. Believe it or not, let's check it out. Take "we eat fruit" as an example. In Chinese, "we eat fruit" means 我们吃水果。我们吃水果。Chinese characters. 我们吃水果。We eat fruit. 我们吃水果。Most of the time, you can see those characters online or from books. But in our daily life, if we write them, we would write like this. 我们吃水果。See? Let's write from the simplest one, 水. If you write 1, 2, and 2. 水 See? 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 我们 You can write like this. 2 J L 1 dot 2 J See? 我们 You can write a 3 dot 1 and a capital letter J. 们吃 eat 1, 2, 2 and 2 1, 2, 2, 2 1, 2, 2, 2 eat 吃水 1, 2, 2 1, 2, 2果 1, 7, 3 1, 2 We eat fruit. 我们吃水果。我们吃水果。Am I clear? Now take out your pen and paper and write. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.